What's up, guys? Want to do some carpet cleaning? Actually, we're doing some rugs on this one, and the next one's going to be a sofa and the living room, I believe. Not a big day, but I'm by myself, so yeah, no. So a typical day of a carpet cleaner. If you like this type of stuff, make sure you subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys. So first job, I didn't record. Sometimes you gotta read the temperature, and yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and get the cleaning and get out of there. People living their lives and stuff like that. Even just asking, hey, mind if I record? Sometimes it's not too good, but this is the second job. Okay, so we're gonna do one area rug. I wasn't expecting. She added that, and carpet cleaning here. Nice carpet. It's Berber, a little soiled, but not too bad. So just a couple spots, pet spots. It's got a real little dog, and there's not a lot. It's just like a little bit here, spots here and there. Comes free with cleaning. I don't charge extra if it's just a couple of spots that I can go ahead and use my organic stuff. Although I didn't see that, but no problem. Okay, so agitate it in. So I already vacuumed, by the way. I already vacuumed this room and the other items I'm going to be cleaning. Not sure if I got that. Okay, so this is about 5% dilution peroxide. I make my own up for organic Spartan. Okay, so in here, I'm gonna be doing this rug right here on this couch. So here, pretty easy cleaning, but this is the spot she's concerned about. This is wine. And I have my organic spotter. And all I'm gonna do is spray it. Okay. And it also dripped down there. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dwell for as long as possible. Agitated it in, that way that peroxide does its thing. Okay, and she wasn't expecting the miracles, but I think we're gonna be able to take care of that for her. It's like some more little doggy pee-pee right here. Yeah, little yellow stuff. All right, that's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray, agitate, and extract. I'm gonna throw it in my backpack. Go ahead and pre-spray. So normally I don't do this, but since this is all one, you know, I don't have to take off the cushions or anything like that. Plus I'm cleaning over the rug, which I'm gonna be cleaning the rug. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean this first, then clean the rug after. Whenever you have an opportunity to do that, you know, if you're gonna be cleaning upholstery in a, you know, living room, you're gonna be doing the carpet, you don't have to worry about overspray or anything like that. Nice. All right, I'm gonna have to move this around. So I got the poor man CRV, and guys, I got a new one. My other one lasted way too long. Pure laziness. So I don't always pull out the CRV. If you're starting up in business, you want to be smart with your equipment, right? Which you're spending your money on, right? You know, go with your main piece of equipment. So if you're going with hot water extraction, then the majority of that on the machine itself. Okay. That way you don't get a machine that's not going to be adequate, all right? And then you can get something like this for your CRB and for your scrub agitation. This only costs $20 until you're ready for the other equipment, right? Until you got the money together for a CRB. Don't spread your money too thin. That's what I'm saying. Like getting CRB and then getting, say, a portable that isn't good enough. You know, you spread your money too thin, you have to replace that portable eventually, sooner than later. By the way, I am working with a Magic Wand company, guys. Below my video, there's a link. I'll also put a pinned comment at the top there too. So if you say green Rhino, see, we put together some. Looks like they got a carpet cleaning hose down there. We put together some packages, smart packages, that you can get the best bang out of your buck if you're just starting up, right? And if you let them know Green Rhino sent you, you're gonna get some extra free tools, special pricing. All right, let's get in here. Let's clean almost. I'll do the same thing in here. Stay tuned. All right, went ahead and pre-scrubbed. I always use, 99% of the time I use that thing for pre-scrubbing my area rugs. But I wanted to show you. Looks like the wine's gone, even out of the rug. Right? Easy fix. You can charge for it, but it's so easy. I don't even charge for it. Artificial colors and different scenarios like that, I do, but you know, organic, easy. All right, guys, so I'm on my way out, just like always, all right? Yeah, if you got some value out of this video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up, subscribe. As always, man, we got a lot of business stuff on this channel, as well as, yeah, the process. So, see you in the next one. From the broke nights to the bright lights, we rise up like a phoenix ignite. No chains hold us.